I'm going to show you how to make chicken crying tiger. Traditionally in Thailand, crying tiger is a grilled beef dish served with its typical dipping sauce. To explain the name of this dish, Seua Rong Hai, there are a few little stories. Some say the sauce is so spicy it made the brave tiger cry. Others say a tiger shed tears because it was interrupted during its meal and couldn't finish this beef dish. For this chicken version, I'm making a non-spicy and fragrant sauce made with mint chili, lime juice, fish sauce, shallots, cilantro, and roasted rice powder. It has a perfect balance between sweet, salty, sour, and fresh flavors. Start by marinating 6 chicken thighs. Remove the bones but keep the skin. Once grilled, it's delicious. Slightly score the thighs to help the marinade penetrate better. Put them in a mixing bowl. To get more juice, roll the lamb under your hand before squeezing it. Chop 4 garlic cloves. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and the chopped garlic. Mix well to make sure the marinade penetrates the meat. This chicken version stays true to the spirit of the dish. It's more affordable than the original beef version and very flavorful. Let the chicken rest while preparing the roasted rice for the crying tiger sauce. I need 1 tablespoon of sticky rice. I always toast a bit more and keep it for others' recipes. If you don't have sticky rice, you can also use jasmine rice. Toast it over medium heat, stirring regularly until it turns golden. After 6 minutes, it starts to smoke. Lower the heat a bit and stir continuously. The color slowly changes from white to brown. After 14 minutes, the rice grains are nicely golden. Turn up the heat and keep stirring for 20 more seconds. Then let it cool. Preheat the oven to 390 degrees. Prepare a baking tray with parchment paper and place a rack. Put the chicken pieces, meat side up. While cooking, the fat will drip away. Bake for 35 minutes. You can also use an air fryer. 25 minutes at 390 degrees, flipping halfway through. Meanwhile, grind the roasted rice. I like to leave tiny bits of grains to add a little crunch. Finely slice 1 shallot, 1 mild chili, or hot if you prefer, 3 sprigs of cilantro for freshness. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste for a fruity flavor. You can also dilute a piece of tamarind paste in boiling water. I will show you how to do that at the end of this video. Mix well to dilute the sugar. With these ingredients, we have the basic flavors: sweet, sour, and salty. Add the shallot, the mild chili, 1 teaspoon of mild or hot chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of roasted rice powder. Mix well. These ingredients mellow the fish sauce's strong aroma, and the roasted rice adds a very appetizing scent. Finally, add the cilantro and mix. This crying tiger sauce pairs well with any grilled meat. It's ready. After 15 minutes, flip the chicken pieces. This time, the skin will become nice and crispy. Put them back in the oven for 20 more minutes. The crying tiger chicken is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice and cucumber. Slice the chicken into small pieces. And put them over the rice in each bowl or plate. Serve a small bowl of sauce for each guest. Bon appétit! Traditionally, you dip each piece of meat into the sauce. I also love drizzling the sauce over the meat and rice. You can also dip vegetables in it. The chicken is tender and the sauce is rich in flavors. The roasted rice adds a slightly crunchy texture and a delightful aroma. The roasted rice powder can last a few days in a jar at room temperature, but to preserve its fragrance longer, it's best to freeze it. With it, we can prepare laps, a traditional Lao dish, often made with beef, mixed with lime juice, fish sauce, roasted rice powder, aromatics, and fresh herbs. It's a national dish of Laos. Check out my videos: Lao beef salad lap ngoa, pork virgin lap mu. I also use roasted rice powder in my mi quang Vietnamese spring rolls with pork and pork skin. Tamarind is widely used in Thai cuisine for its sour and fruity flavor. It comes in various forms: ready-to-use concentrates or as a paste. For this recipe, you can dilute 0.5 ounces of tamarind paste in 2 tablespoons of boiling water, then mix and strain. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.